In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, review, and installation of the Govee Interior LED strips. This is the RGBIC version, which means that it not only does just one single color for the entire strip, you can segment the color and you have a lot more choices for the colors you can put on it. Let's get into it. Alrighty, here they are. Now, I am a Govee fan. I have literally like so many of their products, actually. My entire room. Alexa, lights off.
Okay.
Yeah. Those are Govee 2 on the monitor, but they aren't app controlled. Alexa, lights on. Oh, they're app controlled, they're not Wi-Fi controlled, so I can't hook it up to Alexa, which kind of sucks because every single other one in my room is whatever. Alexa, lights on.
Okay.
So that's all Govee. So these are their interior car lights, which is cool. They go through the Govee home app, which is awesome because I have all of my other ones go through that app. They have a remote control. I'm probably not going to use that. 16 million colors, colorful lighting, adjust brightness. Okay, yes, you can adjust the brightness. You can do it yourself. I've tried the DIY with their other products and I like it. They have like a community basically where you can actually download DIY scenes from other people that made theirs. I don't do it myself because it's time consuming and I'd much rather just use what other people have made. A music mode, which can actually be pretty good. Because it's a segmented light strip, the music, it reacts to it and it makes cooler animations than just flashing light, which is kind of annoying. And it says it's safe to use, which is great. I don't really know what they're referring to, but yep. So let's get into this package. All right, so you get 4 light strips. Now I'm assuming that this will go to the back of the car as well, and it actually comes with these things, zip ties. It comes with zip ties, which is actually, I wish I knew that it came with zip ties because I bought like a whole pack of zip ties before this, but I guess I have more. These are really tiny. They're really skinny compared to normal zip ties, so I'm probably gonna use my own. And then you have some screws, and I'm not exactly sure what these are for. It looks like you can actually screw these into somewhere. I don't know why you'd want to screw them in. Might damage the interior of the car. But whoa, what is this? This is cool. Is this the remote? See that? Oh yeah, this is the remote control. This is cool. They actually give you, it's like a keychain, so it's not like one of the remote controls you get for one of the ones you put in your room. This actually looks like a legitimate keychain, which is super cool. But it is powered by car charger, which to be completely honest, I'm not too happy about because I got another car charger that uses this port and the Tacoma only has one of these, so I'm not really sure I like this. I would have rather it been USB because I bought a freaking USB hub. So now, and the USB hub connects through here, so that's kind of disappointing. That's really disappointing actually. This is everything you get. You got a user manual, the Govee thing. I mean, it has this little QR code, whatever. And now we're gonna go to my car and we're going to install it and see what it looks like. I'll see you there. Let's get into the installation. So the first thing I always like to do is plug it in, turn on the car, and just make sure that the lights are working, right? Because if there are any defects, I want to be able to return them. Turn the car on and press that. Perfect. All right, they work. And you can already see they're individually addressable, which is awesome. All right, so what I've done is I've just laid everything out so you can see we got one over here, one over here, and the other ones are fed back to this side. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to adhere this around right there, right? And I'm gonna do that all around. Now the back ones, I think I'm just gonna leave them maybe pointed this way underneath. I'm not sure because there's nothing really back here to adhere it to. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it and see what that looks like. And if it really doesn't look that good, then I will adhere it somewhere, but I'm not sure how that will go. I'm gonna do the front seats first. I have them hooked up here and on the other side, right there. And then I have them just sitting underneath right there. So can't really see them during the day, but Now, cable management. All right, cables are managed. So as you can see, this right here, I route it back. There's a little flap here so you can put it all the way over. And then these two are basically tied together here. And the one that's coming this way, I routed it behind here. So that goes all the way back to the back of the car. And then on the other side, very similar, except this went back and there's another lip here. And then this is still hanging, but I guess I can kind of push it up into there. And then similar thing. And then for this, I just stuck this right here because we're probably not even gonna be using this, but it is accessible. Right here, I routed the cable through here. So it's not visible when you're sitting, but it is visible if you come, you know, down here. But you can just kind of push this up. And then I zip tied these together, zip tied them there, push that up, and they're looking good. So let me clip these there. I think what we're gonna do is wait a couple hours and then I'll show you what they look like when they are on at night. So what I'm gonna do is go to the Govee app, Govee Home. So you go to the Govee app and you go to add, and then the number is H61, why is it not focusing? The number is H6119. H6119. There we go. And it'll connect. You can rename it Tacoma Lights. Done. All right, so then what you can do, you can go to color and then you can change a bunch of stuff. So you can change all of them to blue, all of them to lighter blue, green, or you can change half so that you have, oh, what? Wait, so which ones are green? Oh. Those are. So it looks like the front ones are the left side and the back ones are the right side, which is interesting. And then you can do like a scene. So we can do like rainbow. And rainbow's cool. It'll look better at night, but it basically changes and moves like that. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what they look like at night. So I'll see you in about an hour and a half. Peace. All right, let's start it up. Woo! So right now it's in music mode, but dang, looks good. Yeah, I mean the front looks better. All right, so I'm connected to them right now. So if I do scene, put it in rainbow. So that's what it looks like. I think this looks awesome. I love it. Just gives it some more, you know, flair. Might as well. Yeah, there's a lot of these. These are the Govee Interior RGBIC LED lights. So I hope you enjoyed that and it was helpful, and now maybe you'd want to go pick those up. They are definitely the best LED lights you can get for the interior of your car, and they integrate with all the other Govee products, and there are so many of them. You can control them from the same app, and I just love Govee. So I'm going to be doing an accessory video for all of the accessories I have in my Toyota Tacoma. I bought around 8 or 9 of them, interior and then a bed cover. I'm going to be doing a whole tour around the car looking at every single one of the accessories I've purchased, and I'm going to be doing that in the video right here. Click right here and I'll see you there. Peace.